So this was your adrenal gland slide, and it's actually way better than what we had before. The problem is that the zona reticularis right here and the zona fasciculata right here are very similar in color. And it's a three-dimensional one. So this was somebody's image they posted on the discussion, and I cropped it down here. Basically, this is the medulla, it's the center. We have this, and it repeats itself down here. Now, the zona glomerulosa, oops, where's my brush tool? Sorry, is right here. So that's the zona glomerulosa. Let's try that again. So that's the zona glomerulosa. And it's a really dark blackish. This is why I called it the chocolate zone, is it's really dark on your slides. Next is the zona fasciculata. It's right in here. And I can see the top border right here with the glomerulosa. That's a nice clear border. Now with the reticularis down here, it's harder. It sort of looks like it goes like this, and it's not nice and crisp, but that's what it looks like it's doing there. And then the zona reticularis is down here in pink. Now the center here is the adrenal medulla. I actually like this slide so much better than our older slide because the medulla is very distinct from the reticularis. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Autotone. Oops. I'm going to select the layer I want and then go to Autotone. See how it comes out differently now? And you could see where I photoshopped out her blue, so she had black there. But the zona fasciculata is a lot clearer now that I just took the autotones. So I could see this is my strawberry, this is my vanilla in here. So I was pretty close to where the border was, and I'm drawing on the wrong layer now. So I was pretty close to that's where the border was. So those are the zones. This is what our slide was. Again, as I said in the video, I will pick a Photoshop version online. This was the original slide, so here's the glomerulosa. The fasciculata is right there, and again, I zoomed in. Oops, too far. And I could still see on this, this is my untouched master image that I'll actually do later, that it's right here. That's a definite different color than down here than my medulla is there. So, and then again, it repeats itself on the other side. So sorry about the confusion. Thank you.